Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a responsive template or the blank site and opening the mobile preview because seeing widths matters. Next, make sure to remove any fixed-width gadgets and swap them for section-based layouts that auto-scale. You should set your header to a flexible size and use built-in containers. This forces content to reflow. Once done, inspect images and convert them to responsive blocks so they scale instead of cropping. This reduces horizontal scrolling on narrow screens. You now refine layout and content so the site adapts smoothly. Convert multi-column rows to grid or stack sections and prefer a single column under 600px because that prevents cramped text. For images, choose cover or contain and stick to common aspect ratios like 16:9. This keeps visual balance. If you embed third-party code, wrap it in a responsive container or assign %width classes so embeds don't overflow. Also, make sure font sizes use relative units so text scales with device. You finish by testing across devices, changing orientations, and walking through key pages because real use reveals issues. Verify the viewport settings and replace absolute pixel sizes with relative units so elements resize naturally. If a layout breaks, isolate the offending element, strip inline styles, and retest. Often a single fixed-width block is the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: disable custom CSS or embeds temporarily. If the problem disappears, reintroduce pieces one at a time to pinpoint and fix the responsive conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.